Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play the iCarly theme song on ukulele. It's a really fun song to play and I love iCarly, so that makes it even so much better. The first thing that you're going to want to do is put a capo on the 2nd fret if you're wanting to play with the original track. However, I'm not going to use a capo and I'm still going to use the same chords. I'm just going to have to sing in a little bit lower of a key. Let's go ahead and jump right into the chords that we need. The first chord that we need is C major. The next chord is F major, then an A minor, then we have a G chord, a B flat. This is a bar chord, but keep practicing. I know you can get it. You can also play it semi-barred if you want to, just barring the bottom 2 strings, but I find it easier to just do the whole fret. Then we have an F minor chord. And last we have a D chord. Now that we have all the chords, we can move into progressions and strumming patterns. So the progression for the verses is super easy because it's just C, F. The strumming pattern that I'm gonna use is down, down, up, down, up. I'm gonna show you how this works with the chords because you're gonna run through that one time on the C chord, but then the second time you run through the strumming pattern, it's kind of split up weird because you don't stay on the F chord for very long. So I'll go ahead and run through that. On the C chord, you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up. Then the second time you go through the strumming pattern, you're just gonna do down, down, quickly switch to your F and finish it and do up, down, up. So all together, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, and go right back to your C and repeat that over and over. That is how you will play both of the verses. Going a little bit faster through that, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. I know you see somehow the world will change for me and be so wonderful. Live life, breathe air. I know somehow we're gonna get there and feel so wonderful. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. I understand that splitting up that strumming pattern between the C and the F can be a challenge at first, but just take it slow at the beginning and you don't have to sing along as you're practicing at first. Play it through again and again. Practice is going to help you to get faster. Next is the refrain, which is going to be C, F, C, A minor. You're going to do that progression a total of 2 times, and we're also going to use the same strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up. This time it's easier though because you don't have to split it up. You're just gonna do it one time on each chord. So let's go through that. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. You'll play through that again. Then for the last part of the refrain, you're gonna go to that B flat chord and do the strumming pattern twice. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then as you're finishing that, you're gonna do one quick single down strum and mute it right after you strum. To mute it, you're just gonna place the side of your palm on the strings immediately after you strum. So a quick motion of strum, mute. Now I'm gonna play through the entire refrain. I will make you change your mind. These things happen all the time and it's so real. I'm telling you just how I feel. So now we go into the chorus. The chorus progression is gonna be F, G, C, A minor, and you're gonna go through that whole progression 2 times. The strumming pattern is still gonna be the same that we used before, and you're gonna do it 1 time on each chord, so no splitting it up again. Going through that first part of the chorus, it'll sound like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Go through that again, and then we have another progression. It's gonna be F, F minor, C, D. You're also gonna use the same strumming pattern 1 time on each chord. Down, down, up, down, up, F minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. And very last for the chorus, you're gonna go to that B flat and do the strumming pattern 4 times. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. And then right back into that C chord so you can start the second verse. Now with the lyrics. So wake up the members of my nation, it's your time to be. There's no chance unless you take one, and the time to see the brighter side of every situation. Some things are meant to be, so give your best and leave the rest to me. Back to that C chord. The second verse, like I said before, is played the same as the first verse, so I'll go ahead and go through that. I know this time to raise the hand that draws the line, and it feels so wonderful. Golden sunshine, I know somehow it's gonna be mine, and it feels so wonderful. Then you would go back into the refrain, which is the same as you played it before, and then the chorus, which is also the same as you played the chorus before. Then for the outro, where you're singing Leave It All to Me over and over, you're gonna go back to the verse progression of C, F. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Leave it all to me, leave it all to me, just leave it all to me. You can play through that as many times as you want to before you want to bring the song to a close. And that is everything that you need to know. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that it helped. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.